What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And for today's video I have an amazing news. This news is a real bombshell for the entire retail community. And this news is that Mark Cuban and Elon Musk just stepped in our case. And then I will show you how this might affect the entire retail community and the authorities who try to stonewall any efforts to receive fair markets. So, and before we dive deep into all of this, guys, please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. It takes me more than 4 hours of hard work on a daily basis in order to make these videos. That is why I want to make an exchange of more than 4 hours of my hard work in exchange for a split of a second of your time. And that is why just hit the like button and we will push our case forward and eventually we will win this battle. So let me start with this tweet that was written by Mark Basil just several hours ago. And he wrote, retail investors, continuing education. Here is an Amicus, friend of the court, brief filed by attorneys for Elon Musk and Mark Cuban in case that is challenging the SEC use of in-house administrative courts and how those proceedings may violate the US Constitution as well as conceal valuable information from the investing public. It is a short but very well-written brief that all retail investors as well as public company executives should read. And he published this link to this document, and let me show you just the summary of the argument. And it is not the longest document, just 28 pages long. The SEC's use of unconstitutionally insulated ALJ's exercise of legislative power in choosing the forum for its litigation without any guiding principles and refusal to allow SEC enforcement defendants the opportunity to litigate before a jury raise serious concerns in SEC administrative proceedings. Beyond the inherent harm in permitting these constitutional violations, the SEC's use of administrative proceedings as they are currently structured results in unequal results for SEC defendants, an erosion of trust in public institutions, and a limitation on the ability of valuable information for the market. In the statutes and regulations, the SEC is responsible for enforcing, as well as through its own actions, public statements and admissions. The SEC demands full transparency and disclosure for the benefit of participants in securities markets. Yet it uses administrative proceedings without the rigor and deliberation resulting from a jury trial to litigate against defendants when the SEC could more efficiently and openly litigate in federal court. Accordingly, Amity joined with respondents and urged this court to endorse the Fifth Circuit's reasoning to ensure that the SEC is required to appropriately litigate in all circuits, not just the Fifth Circuit. So, and I have to say that this shows that Elon Musk and Mark Cuban, two billionaires from the Forbes 500 top 500 wealthiest persons in the world, they just stepped in this case, and this shows how huge the problem is. Let me show you that previously Mark Cuban already beat the SEC. And as you can see, this article was published on dmagazine.com, and the subtitle, it was published on August 28, 2014. And the subtitle is, his aggressive defense helped him prevail against federal prosecutors in his insider trading case. On top of that, Elon Musk is also very strong player on this field. As you can see, on February 23rd, Dr. Jack wrote this tweet. What if Elon Musk has been baiting the SEC for years, building their case on the level of corruption, and now they have enough evidence to go public with it all? Grab your popcorn, folks. And Elon Musk responded, building a case is exactly what I've been doing. And he made this tweet on February 23rd, 2022. This means these two people, Mark Cuban and Elon Musk, they know what to do in their case. And you might wonder how it is related to our MMTLP case. And guys, I've told you multiple times that this is a huge problem. It is not the problem of MMTLP community. It is the problem of entire retail community, and it is the problem for the market in general. Because we know that Gary Gensler also violates a lot of rules in the field of cryptocurrency industry. And this basically shows that he cannot be on this role, on this post of the head of SEC Commission, because he cannot regulate properly the entire market. Let me show you that we are about to see a couple of new hearings from Financial Service Committee. One of them will take place on October 25th, and its main topic is modernizing financial services through innovation and competition. And the second one will take place on October 24th, and its main topic is examining the SEC's agenda, unintended consequences for US capital markets and investors. And these two meetings might be crucial for Gary Gensler because he will be asked again by Financial Service Committee members, by Congress members, a lot of tricky questions regarding his activity. And in my opinion, it will lead to a huge resolution for the entire market in foreseeable future. On top of that, let me show you how everything is tied up together. Here you can see the tweet that was made by RareDD, and Anna reposted it, and he made this tweet 14 hours ago. On any given day, GTS touches virtually every trading household in the United States. You don't become this big without making some friends along the way. And he added this screenshot, let me quote it for you, just 2 bullet points. The firm trades over 500,000 different financial instruments globally and is leading designated market maker at the New York Stock Exchange, where the firm has been #1 in IPO allocations and capital raised for 5 years running. On any given day, GTS's proprietary systems trade as much as 1 billion shares of US equities, and through its retail and ETF market-making businesses, GTS touches virtually every trading household in the United States. And we know that GTS Securities was involved in the process of first trading sessions of MMTLP shares back in 2021. And this shows that potentially they are bad guys who made some illegal activity regarding MMTLP, and this definitely should be investigated. And this case that was just filed by Mark Cuban and Elon Musk will definitely help us to push it forward. And eventually it will give us an opportunity to solve our MMTLP problem in the best possible way. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium